So Oreo, do you think I can create a fishing vessel like this from a surfboard using fencing material and some 2x4s? If you think I can, go and bring me this bowl back. Uh-oh, I think I'm in trouble. If she doesn't bring it back, she doesn't believe in me. Come on, buddy, the bowl is right there. Right there. I was not very nice. Thank you very much. So I don't know. Maybe she doesn't believe me. But you know what? I'm gonna try. So let's see if I can make a fishing vessel from wood like this and make it look like that. So again, if you believe that I can do this, bring the bowl back to me. Uh-oh. Well, that worked out. One advantage of this is that if you would like to scuba dive from this, you can, and re-enter. You can fish from this. You can attach a sail to it. So it's multifunctional, and I would love to show you how I made this. And I used wood like this, something really simple. I didn't want to spend a lot of money. So you can create something like this at home. And so right now it's 2020, September 22. I know the world is going crazy right now and everybody is suffering with something and there are challenges. So this is good news. And another good news is that you can put this on any water. It's lightweight, and that's one of the advantages. And the other one is easy to carry to a water. And like I said, you cannot flip this over. There's a seat on it and everything is custom made. So let's go to my basement and let me show you how I made this. And then we'll go on the water and see how it works. Thank you for watching so far. Let's go to my basement. Before we do, please give this video a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my next video. And say hi to Oreo. Say hi to Oreo. Oreo, catch it. Oh,
Good job, buddy. Put it down.
you did a really good job. So this is what we have so far. So right now I'm just putting these pieces of wood lettuce on, and just with a rubber band to see if it's going to work. And it looks like it's going to work. So we're almost done with the first couple of steps. So I cut these half circles out, put it on a piece of wood, and the easiest way, or the cheapest way really, least expensive, is to get these lettuce pieces, and this last one here I had to cut small pieces, so at the very end of this little bondo stabilizer I'm going to have to squeeze this in here. So I cut it really thin, but before I do this I have to fill this up with foam, so just in case the water gets in, it still stays afloat, and that's important because I want to use this as a flotation device too. So this is what I'm using. This is what I'm using right now, and let me get started. So to use the insulation that you use for the gaps between the windows and doors was a really bad idea. As you can see, this one is still alive, bubbling after 2 days. I've expanded the body of the stabilizer, so now I have to scrape part of it out and try to fix it. So use marine foam or whatever else you want to use, but don't use these expanders unless you do it very, very slowly. So we are going to use this bondo glass on filling in some cracks and imperfections. So I find it that first I put rubber gloves on, and then I put these on top, so my hands are not so slippery. So put these on, and this is what we are working with. So that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Now here's your challenge. You can't take out too much, otherwise it's going to dry on you. So you take about that much for a smaller repair. And you're fine here. You don't have to rush until you put the hardener on. You just put the cover back on. So here's your challenge. You're okay until you put this cream and you mix it in. I'm going to put about that much. Now this is going to harden in a few minutes, so you have to mix it fast, and then you have no time to really go away and make a sandwich or drink coffee. You have to put this on right away, and it will harden in a few minutes. So you have to mix it thoroughly though, and then you have to use it fast. So let's see what I can do. So it should be the same consistency, and you mix it until it is. Now I have about 30 seconds to put this on now because it's already hardening. I'm going to put this on the crack, work with it the best I can. So there were some cracks here. So I filled in some of the holes and cracks. It's really uneven. I'm not very happy with it. So I have to sand it again. Let's see how it goes. The problem with making the stabilizer from this wood, uneven wood, that I had to do a lot of fiberglassing and a lot of sanding. give the wood some strength, I'm going to fiberglass. So I cut out the cloth. So it looks like I just have to put the fiberglass on. So the idea is that when the waves pound on these, the wood and the stabilizer is going to be one unit because of this fiberglass cloth. So here we go with the fiberglassing. Put one layer on. Doesn't look too bad. Now I have to turn it around and fiberglass the bottom part. This is what we have so far. So hit like and subscribe to support the channel and see what I'm going to catch on the next video.